appreciate that, sir. I appreciate that, sir. Hey, I want to wish you and yours a blessed holiday coming up. There were some folks out there here earlier saying I had a hum, so I just want to make sure I kind of took care of that problem there, 10-4. You'll have to type in my zip code 59501 up there, man. We're sitting about minus 30 below zero, man. Minus 30 below zero. We're a little bit warmer than that right now. I think we're sitting about minus 13, but boy, I'll tell you what, she was cold last night.
Yeah, you listen to this Midnight Cowboy, you can hear that hum real good now. That far line on the bottom is 40 dBs.